In today's tutorial, I will guide you through how you can download and install Microsoft Office 2021 on your PC. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing and sharing this tutorial to your friend. So let us start up. This is a step-by-step guide that will guide you through to install, even if you have never installed anything or any software on your PC. This is a simple guide, so don't forget to like. The first step, let us go to our File Explorer. And once you open your File Explorer, you're going to look for this PC. And then once you look for that PC, you're going to open your C drive. And in your C drive, I want you to create a folder and you call it Office 2021. So you're going to come and put your cursor in the space, then right click. After right clicking, choose option new and then choose folder. Now name that folder Office 2021. So that is the folder I want you to create. So the next step, I want you to do this. So the next step, we're going to open that folder. It is this one, Office 2021. And then you're going to first minimize this and then open Google Chrome, as in like Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, I want you to go to your search bar and then type in Office deployment tool, like that. So after typing Office deployment tool, I want you to come to this first website and open it. After, you're going to select your preferred language, but me, I prefer English. Then check download. And then wait for it to be downloaded right here. Now you're going to press this file icon so that you can be able to show the Office deployment tool in a folder. It is a folder icon, not a file icon. So you're going to copy this Office deployment tool to your clipboard and come to what you minimized earlier and then maximize this, or you're going to come to this PC, then check your C drive and then look for Office 2021, then paste that folder into that, then paste the deployment tool in Office 2021 folder. Now you're going to right click onto that Office deployment tool and then run it as administrator. Now you're going to check to allow it to make changes on your PC and then accept the Microsoft software license terms, check continue, and then you're going to be redirected so that you can be able to browse for a folder you want to save the files. So you're going to go and locate it, which is in this PC. So you're going to come and look for this PC and then look for Office 2021 folder. Double check onto it and check OK. So files will be extracted successfully to that folder. There will be two files. One will be setup, another one configuration. So I'm going to delete the Office deployment tool from Office 2021 folder so that you are able to be having two files, one for configuration and then the next for setup. So you're going to first minimize this and then close this and then go back to Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, you're going to come where you type in the URL link and then put in config.office.com. come and then visit. So you're going to scroll down and then check create, and then you're going to choose, or you're going to select the architecture of your PC. If your PC is a 32-bit, select 32. If it is 64 like mine, select 64. So you're going to select the products and the apps you want to deploy. So me, I want Office 2021, this one, professional, the volume license. Then you're going to to customize as you want by turning on or off the application you want to, and then you're going to check next and then update the language. The language, I'll prefer English United States. Then after, I'll come and export. I'll choose Office Open XML formats and then check OK. So I'll accept the license, accept the terms of the license agreement, and then accept the terms. Then after, I'll check export. So it will be downloaded. The configuration.xml will be downloaded, and I'll check onto this folder icon to locate it in my PC. So it will be right here. Then I'm going to copy the configuration file I've downloaded, and then I'll look for what I minimized, or I'll look for the Office 2021 folder I created previously by coming to this PC, then my local disk, and then choose that folder, and I'll paste the file configuration which I've downloaded from Google Chrome. Then I'll be having three files. I have the configuration, I have configuration Office 365, and then I have the setup. So this is what you're going to do lastly. You're going to press this Windows icon and then type command prompt. Now you're going to run command prompt as the administrator. So you're going to allow it to make changes on your PC, and then this is what you're going to do. You're going to type cd, leave a space, and then you're going to first minimize this, then go to this PC local disk, and then tap onto that Office 2021 folder, and then come tap in the space so that you can be able to access the file location, and then copy by right click, and then choose option copy, and then come back to your CMD or command prompt. After typing cd, leave a single space, then paste by checking Ctrl V, and you can come and then you're going to come and then Ctrl V and paste, and then check enter. So they're going to open this. So this is what you're going to type. Let me first maximize. So you're going to type setup dot exe, a single space, configure, leave put a slash, a single space. Now shift and C so that the first letter is a capital letter. Then put configuration, then a dot XML, and then check enter. So that will start installing Office 2021 on your PC. So if you get any problem with the installation process, let me know in the comment section, and then that is it, and I sign out. So installation process depends on the internet speed of your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marius Tech and I sign out.